The Oriveti OV800 is the company's new flagship in-ear monitor based on the original O800. The OV800 comes with several new features, such as a new sound tuning switch system, a more ergonomic monitor shape, a new faceplate design, and a handcrafted 8-core SPC wire cable. The link is available in the description. You can check for the best price. When it comes to audio quality, the Oriveti delivers excellent performance. The sound tuning is very agreeable, and it's easy to tell that this is an IEM that accepts balanced armature drivers due to their unique flavor. But don't get me wrong, this is not your typical BA IEM. Still, I'm enjoying it overall. It's well balanced, and if I had to express it, it's SWEET. The mid-range is consistent and forward, sounding thick, weighty, and detailed. I like the mid-range presentation here. However, the mid-range is not warm at all. Cleanliness and transparency are well maintained. Whatever it was, the mid-range was really expertly tuned and showed the behavior of higher-end audiophile IEMs. The speed, although not very fast, is still on time and provides a good feeling of control. The overall tone is not that of a slow-timing IEM, but in general, BA IEMs sound faster. Transient response performed below expectations for an IEM at this price, but relatively speaking, it's not a big deal. Well, at the end, the OV800 surprised me considering the relatively recent release of the O800, and I was also surprised that Oriveti didn't change the basic tuning of that model. However, the price surge makes it difficult to recommend that model if you're not the fiddling type. That's it for today's rundown. We hope this helps you choose the right one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.